Morning, buddy. How you doing today? Happy Saturday. Recently I did a video unboxing of a PXToys RC. It's a 1/12 scale. So basically I just want to give you a quick video update as to what I've been up to with this particular RC. Basically this is the model here. It is the 1/12 scale Piranha. I believe it's the 9202 if I'm not mistaken, or 9200. Basically what I'm going to let you know is what I've done to the car. So what I've done is I've raised the body just a little bit. I felt in stock form it was just a little bit on the low side. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the shell to let you guys see what I've done. I wanted to make this bit of a project truck. It originally came with a 540 size motor, 2S LiPo, 40 amp, 2-in-1 brushed ESC. So not bad as a starting point, or I mean, if you like a stock, it was perfectly adequate. But I just wanted to just make a few changes to it, and soon you'll see what I've done. Okay, so as you can see here, let me just turn on the remote. Okay, now that it's stopped saying it's tuned, what I've installed is a 3650 3500 kV motor. There is a 120 amp ESC. A mini 3-wire servo for the steering, and a 1600 milliamp. I believe it's a 100C 4S LiPo. So this brings me to approximately 50,000 RPM, which is the limit for this particular motor. And the drivetrain is very robust, which is what kind of got me thinking about what I can do with this one. It comes with CVD metal gears, ball joints both front and rear, and it comes with all metal gears as well. This should move quite nicely on the road with these particular electronics. So I've also installed a heat sink for the motor, and a fan blowing downwards, not upwards as per normal, because on the 4S this motor will get very hot. So I'll be blowing air onto the motor because it's going to need it, especially if it's being fed 100C max burst rate 4S LiPo. I'm thinking normally, because I'm using a XT60 to Dean's, it might maybe give it maybe 50 amps at most, 50C, but it should prove to be quite powerful just as it is. I've used the stock motor pinion, which is a 22 tooth pinion from PXToys, and that is about, and of course I raised the body post just a little bit. I put the on-off switch right up here, and yeah, so that's basically it, guys. I'm going to give you a bit of a close-up here. There's the LiPo from Lime Sky, and it's a Surpass Hobby, as you can see, 3650 3500 kV motor, and like I said, that is a 120 amp brushless ESC. Okay, so I'll put the body of it back on. So that's basically it for, I guess, my video update for the PXToys 1/12 scale monster truck. It's more of a speed truck, I guess you can say now. So when the weather gets warmer, I'm definitely going to take it out for some speed runs, just to see, you know, basically what all this power can do. It's a 1600 milliamp LiPo, so things shouldn't get too hot, because, you know, by the time it gets hot, the battery will just about be up. I didn't want to go too high on the kV because I still wanted to use the factory battery location. It did come with a little door to keep the stock battery in, but of course I have to do away with that door because the LiPo is the same length, just obviously twice as big. So again, here's the it's called the Piranha. All right. And that is about it. Okay, guys. So here's the front of it, as you guys can see. And that's about it. So if you guys have any questions about this RC or any of the other RCs in my fleet, please by all means leave a comment below and I'll answer any questions that you guys may have. All right, guys, take care. Peace.